Hello guys! Most of the people might have used Microsoft Excel at least once till date, but you might be amazed to know that this tool can help you earn money and can become your source of income. Number 1. Upwork.com. Go to upwork.com, search for Microsoft Excel. You will find thousands of jobs listed there for Microsoft Excel experts. Jobs like data entry operators are listed there with specified pay range per hour. Number 2. Fiverr.com. Go to Fiverr.com, search for Mrs. Excel. You will find thousands of profiles listed there for Microsoft Excel experts. Create your own profile with skill as Microsoft Excel, and you will get contacted by employers. Number 3. Etsy. Creating your own Excel templates is a great way to express your creativity while making money. With the potential customer base of over 57 million people, Etsy is the perfect platform to do so. You can even reach out directly to local small businesses and promote the use of your Excel templates with them. Number 4. Envato. Go to themeforest.net, which is Envato marketplace, and you can list your Excel templates on this website. Customers can see live preview of your templates before buying on this website. So having a knowledge of Microsoft Excel gives you an edge to earning money. It's true, those who can use this powerful tool often make more than their peers with basic Excel knowledge. If you want to add this skill to your portfolio and start earning money more quickly, there are several different methods of learning. Number 1. Microsoft Website. Microsoft Website is a great place to start your Excel journey. This website has a lot of videos explaining basic to advanced Excel concepts. Number 2. EDX. EDX.com has lots of courses to learn Excel. Search videos as per your requirement, and you can learn Excel concepts like data analysis. Excel for everyone on this website. Number 3. Udemy. Go to udemy.com and search for Excel. You will get thousands of courses for learning Excel. You can filter and sort courses as per your requirement, and you can even find the rating and reviews of courses taken by millions of other learners. And last but not the least, subscribe to Learn Anything free channel on YouTube, and you will get Excel tutorials on daily basis with simple tips and tricks. You can also watch lots of learning videos on this channel. So please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get more contents like this.